Most analog mixers will have the same basic layout. There are inputs for connecting to sources, such as microphones. Each input has its own line of controls called a channel strip, and then there are outputs for connecting to destinations, such as speakers or recording devices. A digital mixer still has these elements, even though it might look a little different from console to console. On the DM3, there are 16 microphone inputs and 8 line outputs on the back. And because this is the Yamaha DM3D, you've also got a Dante connection on the back, which could allow for an additional 16 channels in and 16 channels out using a stage box or another Dante-enabled device. As for the channel strips, rather than each additional channel requiring more and more space on the mixer, every setting for every channel can be accessed on this LCD screen. You can see that there's a main fader here, as well as a bank of 8 motorized channel faders. And I can toggle between different banks of channels using these buttons in the fader bank section. I get a lot of comments from viewers who prefer the fact that every channel is available simultaneously on the surface of an analog console, especially viewers who have been in the industry since the days when analog consoles were the only option. But I promise you that if you familiarize yourself with the tips I'm about to share in this video, you'll see that digital mixers provide much more power and flexibility than their analog counterparts, including the ability to make custom fader banks, so you can reach everything you need quickly. Plus, the huge effects rack that comes with analog consoles is built into this tiny device, and that means you save a lot of truck space, a ton of lifting, and hours of setup time during the show prep, the load in, and the load out.